protest by the farmer organizations demanding free and fair compensation and better benefits under the new agricultural laws. According to reports, the members of the Bharatiya Kisan Parishad will march to Delhi from the Maha flyover in Noida and are expected to reach the capital by around noon. Besides a legally guaranteed MSP or minimum support price, the protesting farmers have been demanding a farm loan waiver, a pension of farmers, farm laborers, no hike in electricity tariff, and on the other hand, the Delhi Traffic Police have come up with an advisory to counter possible traffic diversions. Now, during the demonstration, barriers that we also set up across all borders connecting Gautam Budh Nagar to Delhi, where motorists have also been advised to avoid certain routes where traffic movement may be affected, and they've also been advised by the public to use metro services to minimize traffic congestion. Take a look at this report coming in from the Mahamaya flyover.
Once again, farmers will be out on street, this time under the banner of Bharatiya Kisan Parishad led by Sukhbir Khalifa. Farmers will be coming over to Delhi and they will be gathering here at Mahamaya flyover at 12. This protest march is coming at a time when already some other Kisan union had given a call for Delhi Chalo on December 6th. They will also be coming by foot to this decision. Meanwhile, the Haryana government has asked Kisan not to take law and order in their hand. Agriculture Minister said that last time they had demands, but this time they have no demands. Unnecessarily they are coming over to this place. They said that last time the 3 laws were there that were finally repealed by Prime Minister. So they have asked them not to take law and order because that will not be tolerated. So far as the Kisan are concerned, they are pressing for compensation and they're also talking about their agriculture laws and they're pressing for their demands and they want their demands to be implemented at their earliest. By 12, they will be coming at this place where they will be gathering and from here they will start protest march. So at 12 they will be here at Mahamaya flyover. That is what actually their scheduled plan is. Meanwhile, Gautam Budh Nagar police has already issued an advisory because the presence of Kisan is definitely going to create hassle for commuters so that commuters do not face any kind of a problem. The motorists have been asked to mostly use metro service so that they can go via metro service. They should not face any kind of a problem.
Now, adding momentum to the issue, the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has said the passage to Viksit Bharat is through farmland and challenges faced by farmers will have to be solved in a fast-paced manner. He also said that it would be a dent to the country's pride if the farming community is struggling.
The passage to Viksit Bharat is through the farmland. किसान की समस्याओं का निराकरण त्वरित गति से होना चाहिए। किसान परेशान है तो देश की आन बान को बहुत बड़ा बट्टा लगता है। आज के दिन इस पावन दिवस पर मैं अपना संकल्प जाहिर करता हूं कि किसान की समस्या का निराकरण करने के लिए मेरे दरवाजे 24 घंटे खुले हैं।
All right, so that is the message coming in from the Vice President himself, as it seems that the national capital is bracing for another round of farmer protests. The demands that have been kept forth, however, fresh advisories on part of the Delhi Traffic Police that has been also issued to prevent any chock-a-block or a traffic congestion situation where farmer organizations have been asking the centre and has been questioning them as far as the issue is concerned, because there has been several rounds of negotiations that have been held in the past as well. But today, as far as protests by farmer organizations is concerned, they will start their march towards the national capital, and many of the areas are now expected to be barricaded in view of this march, this renewed protest by the Kisan unions. As far as the Bharatiya Kisan Parishad is concerned, saying that their members will march towards Delhi today, demanding fair compensation and better benefits under the new agricultural laws, and by noon they are expected to reach to the Mahamaya flyover in Noida, and then they will continue their march towards Delhi itself. But they have been, as far as their demands are concerned, many of the farmer organizations are also holding these marches are concerned in their respective areas. So we have Pradeep Datta with us right now. Pradeep, pictures coming in from the Chilla border there in Noida today, also being a Monday morning. It seems that traffic movement has already been affected.
Yes, in fact, today Bharatiya Kisan Parishad has taken. Kisan Parishad has taken out a march. They will be coming to flyover side at about 12, and from there they will be moving towards Delhi. They are saying that they are pressing for the rights so far as the agriculture laws are concerned, and also the compensation that they had been demanding. And on the 6th, there is going to be another 2 Kisan morchas. They are also going to take out the march to Delhi Chalo. They'll be coming just ahead of that march. This march has been taken out, but we have already seen that the politics over this has started. Though they had coming over to, they will be gathering at that particular spot near the flyover, and from there they will start moving toward Delhi. But we have seen the statement coming from the agriculture minister from Haryana. He said that last time there was an issue about the 3 laws, and that were finally repealed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But this time there is no issue. They are unnecessarily trying to create an issue over something, because already discussion with the government is going on from time to time. So why they are doing so? Meanwhile, we have seen that already the police has ensured that people do not face any kind of a problem because of the disruption that can be caused by the Kisan agitation. Because last time also we saw that when the Kisans had been present at several borders, because of which the people had to suffer a lot many problems. And this time they are trying to create alternate route from where they can move to different places. They are asking people to use mostly metro because motorists will be facing kind of a problem because of these diversions. So already the barricading has been done.
Is coming at a time when the parliament is also in session. As far as them holding their protest are concerned, will be marching towards the national capital. Precautionary measures that have been put in place